guys. It is about 9:15. I usually wake up around this time. I would say it's kind of different depending on how tired I am and like how late I stay up the night before, I guess. But today I actually have stuff to do, so. But like I set an alarm, but I just woke up naturally. That's what always happens. I like subconsciously just wake up before the alarm. It's
kind of crazy.
I am awake now and I'm gonna start getting ready. I'm gonna start off with makeup so that I'm like, actually I'm gonna go brush my teeth first. I feel kind of gross. Yeah. I feel. Oh, okay.
Well, I brought it up here now. I just brought it up here.
Filming?
Yeah.
Let's not waste, right?
Say hi.
Hi. I need it when I looked at it.
It's okay. I don't look good either. Okay, so now I'm just heading downstairs. I always have to fill my hydro because stay hydrated, friends. Usually I'll make coffee or something. Usually I'll make like coffee or a latte. I don't know if I'm feeling it right now. Should I? Today I'm going to a cafe, which I also do pretty regularly. I'm probably gonna get a drink there, and I try not to drink like too much stuff, you know, or else I just go crazy. No, I'm a little too lazy. Okay, but basically I just wanted to show you guys something. I got like this milk frother, this little thing, and it's actually so cool. I use it for London fog, or I'll make matcha lattes, and it makes it frothy. It's okay, sorry, I was just really excited about that. Also, look how much fruit I have right now, but I'm not cutting fruit this morning, which is kind of sad because it's what I look forward to every day. I don't have time for that right now because I'm meeting my friend at a cafe and I have to do mucho things. I don't know how to say things in Spanish. So, walking back upstairs with all right, so I'm just gonna do my regular makeup routine, which pretty much consists of, I'm sorry, I'd be distracted kind of. Pretty much just consists of mascara and eyebrows. Okay, so basically, if you couldn't tell by what's been going on in this video and the title of it, today's video is gonna be kind of like a productive day in my life vlog. A few things to cover. I do Running Start, which is like, I take classes at my local college, so I have a lot more freedom with my schedule, so I'm kind of showing you guys like a day in the life of that, I guess. But basically the way my schedule works is that I have class Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Since today is Tuesday and it's a free day, I decided to vlog my like productive, because Tuesday is usually like my productive day. Like I get all my schoolwork and like filming and stuff done because it's my free day. Pretty much go to a cafe like every Tuesday, so I figured I would show you guys. If you guys want to see more like my actual Running Start school routine, the days I go to school, let me know and I can totally do that. It changes every quarter. It's kind of fun. So every Tuesday looks a little bit different, but it usually consists of doing a lot of homework, hanging out with friends, going to a cafe, and editing, filming something YouTube related. This is why Tuesdays are my favorite days. For me, Mondays are like my hardest days. Not like super hard, but like they're the longest. This is my productive vlog because I am making sure today is gonna be a productive day. Okay, I finished my makeup. I'm not keeping my hair like this, don't worry. I've been trying to do my hair more. Wow, pretty cool. I'm gonna call it good. Okay, this is kind of weird because you can see me. So for this portion of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys some awesome things that I got from Fabletics. I want to give a huge shout out and thank Fabletics for sponsoring this video. So I'm just going to be showing you a few of the things that I've got from their line. You can click the link in the description to get 2 pairs of leggings for only $24, which actually has like a $99 value, which is
really crazy.
Basically how it works is you can click the link below to go to Fabletics, and you can take a style quiz where they personalize the style just for you. So they'll give you a bunch of great recommendations. After that, you can just shop all the styles. You can find a bunch of things that you like, and then you just check out as VIP or as guest, and you'll have a bunch of cute new items sent to you. Fabletics is just a great, affordable, but super cute athletic wear company. It's really great for working out. It's also great for casual stuff. So I'm just going to show you guys some of the pieces that I got, and I'll also try them on for you guys. First off, I got this little Sherpa thingy, but it's not like the regular Sherpas I have. It's like
an athletic one,
I guess. I don't know. Like, I could literally wear this to the gym. Gray, I think. I don't know. I'm a little colorblind. And then it's like a zip up. It doesn't like swallow you. The other top that I picked up is this very vibrant blue, which is super pretty, and it's basically just a half zip, and it's like tight and a long sleeve. It has a super cool mesh detailing on the arms as well as like on the back, and the back has this cool like little pocket thing. Has really cool designs, and it's also super great quality. And then on to, I think everything else is leggings. I got these black high-rise ones, and they have this cool mesh paneling on the side as well as these pockets. I absolutely love these. They fit me really well too. I also love that they have such a huge variety of sizes, because if you know, I'm very short, my legs are very short, but they offer like extra small, and they have very like short lengths, tall lengths. These ones are in this gray color. You can see it a little better, but it has this pocket. But I absolutely love this pair. They fit super well. They like suck everything in, and they just look really nice. I also got, a lot of these have pockets on them, which is great because I love pockets. I got this burgundy color. By the way, I got all of mine in short if it was available, and in size extra small or extra small. These ones are burgundy, and they're like lined, so it's kind of fuzzy inside, which is perfect for the winter. Freezing weather here, and it has pockets on the side, but it's not mesh. Super thick, great quality. I also got this, I think this is the last pair that has pockets, but this one is the super bright like pinkish red color, and I'm in love with the feel of these ones. They're so soft. These ones aren't like lined, they're just very thick and such amazing quality. These ones might be my favorite ones. Stitching on these is amazing. This one also has pockets. These are just plain black ones, and they have mesh again, side and pockets, high-waisted, super nice. They're very similar to the other ones, but you know, I know I'm gonna be wearing them. And then I also got these ones, which have nothing on them. They're just like plain high-waisted 7/8 length leggings, and they're just like an olive color. They're just super thick, great quality, like the stitching on the side and everything. Then the last two are kind of like a little bit different. These ones are this mauve color, and they're a little more like fashionable, I guess. High-waisted pant, but you can also like fold it over, and then it looks weird here, but on they're like a ruffled kind of like cinched bottom, and they have a little like tie here, so you can kind of adjust it to the length of your leg. It's just very unique, and this bottom part is very light. And then the last pair of bottoms are actually joggers, but they're like athletic joggers. You know, you'll look a little more sporty rather than like, oh, she's in sweats
again.
They're also this very pretty like dark green, and it has pocket. Feels very nice. It has a nice drawstring. Thanks Fabletics so much for sending me these. They're so awesome. Yeah, if you want to check out Fabletics or any of these items, they'll all be linked down below with the Fabletics site if you want to go check it out and take the style quiz and get your own pieces. And other than that, we're going to get back into my productive day. And my room's kind of a mess right now. See, this is what it looks like after I film. Usually it's worse. Hello, so I just finished filming stuff, and I'm gonna go off to meet my friend now at the little cafe, so I'll update you guys when I'm there. But I'm just gonna show you my outfit for today. Very casual, a little bit boring, not gonna lie, but you know, it's a productive day. We don't have to look that cute, okay? So this is my outfit. Very simple. I'm probably just gonna throw on some puffer jacket because it's kind of cold. This top is just this little ruffled short sleeve from Brandy Melville. The jacket's also from Brandy. It's like one of those cropped hoodies that I talk about literally all the time. And then these are my new leggings from Fabletics. I'm freaking in love with them. They're super comfy, but they're also pretty fashionable, and they have pockets, which I love pockets. Amazing. And they also have kind of cool mesh. And then the only accessories I'm wearing is my little cross necklace, and then my Pandora ring. For shoes, I'm probably just gonna end up wearing like Vans or something. I'm not really sure. Maybe I'll wear sneakers. I'm either gonna wear, I think I'm just gonna wear Air Forces because I'm just boring like that and I literally wear them every freaking day. Okay, but yeah, this is a really strange angle, but basically that is pretty much it for like my morning routine. I really don't have a routine just because like every Tuesday it's basically different. My day in a life / routine. I'm gonna add like little clips probably throughout the rest of the day, but since I'm gonna be like out and about, I don't know how much talking and updating I'll be doing, but hopefully this gave you guys a little look into the life of me. So I'll see you guys updated a little bit later. I'll try to close off this video. Hopefully I do not forget because I have a tendency to do that. Whoa, it's so zoomed out.
Zeta Tau Alpha.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I'm on the 3rd floor, so like.
We just finished class. I found a big leaf and we're walking back. That was so random. That was so random. I know. To you village, watching the sunset.
Who knew Melanie would vlog on an iPhone?
Shh, they don't know that. They can't tell.
I sure didn't.
Yeah, they probably can tell. It's stupid. Hey there friends, it is like 8 and I'm currently baking cookies, which, you know, I actually haven't done for a while. I'm actually baking cookies for like my teachers.
No, I'm not being a kiss up, I'm being a nice student, okay? Like,
don't judge me, but like I enjoy baking, you know, and I love my teachers. So watch this is gonna be satisfying, okay? I'm baking chocolate chip cookies, be a nice little student. And then I forgot to end off this video. So I decided to do it right here while I'm mixing my cookie batter. I wanna eat this. Might not be any left for them. So basically, long story short, I'm making cookies and this is the perfect way to, you know, end off my very productive day. After this, I'm probably just going to make myself another matcha latte and then do homework and stuff because I have
a midterm tomorrow.
So yeah, today was a pretty chill, I don't know if chill's the right word. It was a pretty productive, fun day. So that was pretty much it for my little vlog day in the life. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Let me know if you guys would like to see more like vlog style videos or like day in my life, or if you want to see more videos on my school or running start or even on baking. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.